Listen, if your computer is slow, this might be the reason. You're probably still using a hard drive, and upgrading to an SSD can make your PC feel up to 10 times faster. But here's the problem. Most people try to migrate their Windows to another drive and end up losing their files, or completely breaking their system. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to migrate your Windows to an SSD or any other drive without losing any data. Whether you're upgrading to another hard drive, or a new SSD, or moving to a bigger drive, or just replacing a failing disk, this method works for all of those situations. If you're on a laptop, you'll need a drive enclosure. It's a small device that lets you connect your new SSD temporarily to your laptop through the USB while the cloning happens. And trust me, you'll still need this drive enclosure to do many other things after this, and I'm going to show you all of that at the end of this video, so stick around. But if you're on a desktop, you don't need that. You just need to plug the new drive into one of the spare ports inside your PC. In this video, I am upgrading a laptop from a regular hard drive to an SSD, so let's get into it. First of all, put your new SSD into the drive enclosure and connect it to your laptop. This is pretty easy to do. Just follow my steps and you are good to go. Most of these drive enclosures have a similar design, and the setup steps are almost the same, so installing your drive is quite easy. Now here's the tool most people don't know about. Go to the EaseUse website and download EaseUse Disk Copy. What I love about this software is how simple it is, and with just a few clicks, it does everything for you. No technical skills needed. It also has a hidden feature most people don't know about, and I'll show you exactly what it does in a moment. Here, click on Free Trial to download and install the software. After that, you can open it from your desktop, and you'll land on this screen right here. Before we start, let me quickly show you the 4 modes in EaseUse Disk Copy, because most people skip past these and miss out on some really useful stuff. 1. Disk Mode. This copies your entire drive, your Windows operating system, your apps, your files, everything, and this is what we're going to use today. 2. System Mode. This copies only Windows and your apps from the C drive. Other partitions will not be included. 3. Partition Mode. Use this when you only want to copy one specific partition, not the whole drive. 4. Emergency Disk. This is one of the most hidden features most people don't even know about, and it could seriously save you one day. It lets you create a rescue disk so you can clone your drive even if your computer is not booting to Windows. Now let me show you a quick demo. I created this rescue disk and I'm booting into it right now. As you can see, every cloning feature is available even outside of Windows, so if your drive is failing and your PC won't boot to your Windows, you can still get your data out safely without issues. Okay, let's go back to the main screen. Here I'll select Disk Mode to copy the full drive to the new SSD. First, choose your source disk, that's your current drive with Windows on it, and click Select. Then choose your target disk, that's your new SSD, and click Select. Here you'll see a preview showing exactly how the cloned drive will look when it's done. Check it over, and if everything looks good, click Proceed. Here you'll get a warning that all existing data on the new drive will be erased. Make sure you've selected the correct drive, then click Continue. So here the cloning process will start automatically. How long it takes depends on how much data you have. Mine took about 40 minutes, so just be patient and it will be done soon. After that, a pop-up will ask if you want to boot from the USB drive. I'll click No, because I need to take the SSD out of the enclosure and install it into the laptop first. So here I'll click Finish, then close this window. Now, if I open this PC, you can see both drives are exact copies of each other, which show that the cloning was successful. Again, if I right-click on Start and go to Disk Management, you can see the same partition structure on both drives. This means that everything copied over perfectly. Now just safely remove the SSD. Install it into your machine, and your old PC now has a brand new lease on life. But now let's talk about the bonus tips I promised earlier. Bonus tip number 1. Now that you've replaced your old hard drive with an SSD, you don't have to throw that old drive away. Simply slot it into the drive enclosure, plug it into your PC, and just like that, you've turned your old drive into a free external hard drive. All your old files are still on it and fully accessible. You can also use it as an extra storage, save new files onto it, or use it to move files between computers. Bonus tip number 2. This is what I personally do for people at a cost. Think of this drive enclosure as a first aid kit for your computer. You won't need it every single day, but the moment something goes wrong with your PC or a friend's family member's computer, then this little device will save the day. All you have to do is remove the drive from the faulty computer, slot it into this drive enclosure, then plug it into any working PC, and you'll have full access to all the files on that drive. Just like that. No data recovery service, no technician, no stress, and of course, whenever you need to clone a drive again in the future, it's ready and waiting for that too. Now check out the subscription packages for EaseUS Disk Copy using the link in the description below. I've also included links to their other software that you might find useful, and that's the full process of how to migrate your Windows to an SSD without losing any data, no reinstall, no stress. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!